Hello, howdy guys. This is Jaman from FutureItVision. Today, I will be showing you guys how to install MariaDB and configure that in your local machine. Why we need to know that? If you are a Selenium automation tester, this is the past part of your testing. Also, who want to develop, they can do these things for their part of their developing purpose. Also, the MariaDB is the light DB where you can save and update your data and use for UI purpose. So example, we have UI here. All those information, example, you have the add cart informations and sign in, contact login information, account, all those behind the all those UI data behind the scene have saving in the database. So this is very important to verify whatever you are doing in the UI is reflecting in the database, because this is a demo website and we cannot use our DB to show to local or public how we are doing that. But for that, now we can only use database, example MariaDB, install and see how actually database work. So uh, I create a simple document for I'll get some document from line that just try to save my time. So for database, what we need? We need uh, Homebrew. It's easy to do that. If you guys have Homebrew, that's good. If you don't have, so you can use it. I have it, but still I will be useful Homebrew. So now I need my command line. So I open my command prompt. You guys open that. Then if you go to brew update, you can find out. So, or if you don't have installed the Homebrew, you go here and you can use this part. Okay, so let's do it myself again. So I'm going to copy this and go to the command line and paste it and put your computer password. It will be take some time. So cool. So downloading command line tool for Xcode. Take some time for updating for Xcode. Wait guys. It will take some time guys. Be patient. It's taking some time. Okay, cool. Download installing. Okay, it is now going smoothly. Look like. So it will take some time, guys, so be patient for that. When you will be have uh, completely done, you'll be get out from this. So in the meantime, what is the next steps? So we have to uh, looks like, yes, cool. Okay, now my Homebrew install done. Okay, I'm just cleaning this part. So now I'm gonna go 6 months. So it's a brew update. Sure, everything is updated. No, it's already, I already downloaded, I already used the Homebrew install, is up to date already. So now you can install the MariaDB, use command this. I'm going to copy paste this here, command V. Okay, so installing dependency of MariaDB. Binary this, downloading this, cool. Use another Muhammad. Okay, cool. To connect. Okay, so to learn and just, okay, so now to connect we have to use this command. Okay, guys, so connect. So I already have the installed the MariaDB from another. So now let's, what you have to do, what are the next steps to connect? So already they said over here same thing, uroot, mysql uroot. Okay, so I'm copy, okay, this. So let's copy this part. I'm not sure why. And password. Okay. Root. Somehow, let's see. Then I can somehow. Cool. Okay. So it's not doing. So what I gonna do? I'm trying to change my uh, MariaDB password. Before that, let's see, sudo. I'm going to use this command to change my password. Enter password. What you want to change? I want to change root. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to start the MySQL. So let's see. It doesn't work. Brew start. Let's start the MariaDB. Whatever I did. So now maybe it's not. Okay. Now MariaDB already started. Now if I say my cool, I am inside the MySQL. So I'm gonna get out that. So now what I'm gonna do again from beginning. So I'm gonna try to change my password, guys. Okay, I'm gonna use this command for try to change my password. Okay, enter the password for what I want to change. Okay, my password is changed. So my MySQL already started with this command, and now what I have to do? I have to go use this command to get it inside MySQL. Then I'm going to flash it. Okay, query the flash the privileges. Make sure. Okay, cool. It's not executing, I'm not sure why. Okay, so what I did, first install the Homebrew, and then we use the install the Homebrew with this command MariaDB, and then what we did over here, we use change the first start this MySQL with this, then we use change the password, then open the MySQL with this command. Okay, so MySQL is now I need for that, what we need, I need a some tool to connect my database. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for download the SQL Pro, which I need for my current database. So this for local machine, so I'm gonna download this one. Okay, so documentation, why I wasn't that, I was downloads. So those link I will provide you in the description, guys. You guys follow that. So my SQL Pro is downloading. So I'm opening my SQL Pro. Anyway, SQL Pro is here. So from here I just came because so I need a SQL Pro. So what I'm gonna give? I give the name test. Okay, test for the schema name, database name. I'm gonna the connection name. So I'm providing the host. Guys, we're gonna use the local host. Okay, so what I'm gonna do? Local. When you enter, they're gonna say use your IP. So you see, use my IP. So this is a localhost IP. Okay, so now my user was name was root. Okay, and password I changed also as a root. Okay, so database is optional and port 3306. So before connect, that's it. This is before connect that, you test the connection. Make sure the connection is connected successfully. Connection is succeed. That means whatever I create configure here for MariaDB install and change the password is successfully done. If I say connect, is done. Over here they have some schema you can use, like add database. If you go in MySQL, and you'll see some table is over here. Okay, so those table is there. So in next video I will be showing you guys how to create a schema or how to create a table and use this some query with this table. So that's it for today, guys. See you for next video. Thanks a lot.